A massive centre versus opposition slugfest over the Parliament ruckus showdown has escalated. While opposition MPs claim they were heckled and manhandled by the marshal, latest footage has punctured the opposition's claims. On your screens is the footage clearly showing how a lady marshal was assaulted and manhandled while trying to stop a woman MP. The centre went all guns blazing at the opposition, with 7 ministers addressing a press conference to blunt the opposition's attacks. Alleging the drama was pre-planned, the centre accused the opposition of spreading anarchy.
चेयरमैन की क्या जिम्मेदारी है? चेयरमैन की जिम्मेदारी हाउस को चलाने की है। चेयरमैन ने हाउस को पिछले दिनों में क्यों नहीं चलाया? स्पीकर ने क्यों नहीं चलाया? जो विपक्ष के दिल में बात है वो हम क्यों नहीं रख सकते हैं?
उन्होंने क्या क्या किया, उन पार्टी ने क्या किया, लोकसभा में राज्यसभा में कैसे उनका व्यवहार था, ये सब देश देख रही है। आई डिमांड इफ दे हैव लिटिल सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड डेमोक्रेसी, दे शुड अपोलोजाइज टू द कंट्री।
देखिए, संसद के अंदर प्रदूषण का पाप और सड़क पे पॉलिटिकल पाखंड का जो प्रयास ये चल रहा है और बिल्कुल झूठ, मनगढ़ंत, फेक एंड फैब्रिकेटेड किस्से और कहानियों के आधार पर जो उन्होंने पाप किया है, जो संसद की गरिमा को धूल धूसरित किया है, उसको बचाने का।
उनका कहना है कि बुलडोज कर रही थी सरकार बिल्स को। सर,
कोई बुलडोज नहीं था। आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना चाहते थे, आप डिबेट में डिस्कशन नहीं करना चाहते थे, केवल आप डिस्कशन करते।
Listen in to the women MPs who claimed they were attacked in Parliament yesterday.
तो आपके साथ क्या हुआ मैम? आपको धक्का भी दिया गया, चोट लग गया?
मार्शल के पास गए थे, वहाँ तक मेल मार्शल थे और फिर फीमेल भी थी, लेकिन फीमेल दो ही लोग खड़े थे। मेल लोग महिलाओं के साथ धक्का दिए हैं और धक्का दिए और मैं गिरी। ये मोदी सरकार में महिलाओं के साथ इतना बड़ा दुर्व्यवहार होता है। सांसदों के साथ सदन के अंदर महिलाओं को बिल्कुल इज्जत नहीं करते, इज्जत नहीं होती, जो जिस तरह से बेसुलूकी के साथ हरकतें करते हैं। और मोदी जी डर के मारे 1 महीने से सदन चल रहा है, आज तक आए नहीं।
ऐसा अग्रेशन कब हुआ? मतलब मार्शल कब आने लगे? क्या हुआ बताइए आप एकदम से।
वो तो प्री प्लानिंग से आए थे, उनको लग रहा था कि हम बिल चलने नहीं देंगे और एकाएक बिल लाते हैं। पहले से कोई पता नहीं रहता, किसी को कुछ पता नहीं रहता, अचानक बिल ले आते हैं। तो अचानक बिल लाएंगे तो कैसे कोई तैयार होगा, कैसे एग्री होगा? बिल में हम स्टडी करेंगे तब तो बोल पाएंगे। तो इनकी हमेशा से आदत है, अचानक से बिल ले आते हैं और पास कराना चाहते हैं।
ये जो शब्द इन्होंने यूज किया है, इनको अपॉलॉजी करना चाहिए। महिलाओं को नंगा वंगा इस तरह की कैसी बात कर सकते हैं?
इस तरह का शब्द उन्होंने
प्रयोग किया ऑपोजिशन के लिए, और ये महिलाओं की उपस्थिति में इस तरह का शब्द प्रयोग करना, ये हमारे लिए बहुत आक्षेपार्ह है।
Paulomi Saha joining us live on this. Paulomi, this has now grown into quite a big issue with both sides, of course, having their take. Just take us through the latest developments and what's being said by either side.
Well, both sides have in fact leveled very serious charges against each other, while the central government says that the opposition misbehaved in Parliament with the marshals who were brought in order to ensure security on the last day of proceedings of the upper house of Parliament. Some even tried to in fact strangle, they say, a lady marshal. The opposition says, and they level a very serious charge when they say that not only were there women MPs assaulted by the marshals who were present in huge numbers, they say, in the Rajya Sabha, quite unprecedented. And what they also say is that 40 men and women from outside were brought in. That is what Mr. Pawar says. Sharad Pawar, Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament and NCP Supremo, says that 40 men and women from outside were brought in as part of parliamentary security. Now, the centre has completely rubbished these allegations and charges. One, of course, is the video where you can see that 2 women members of Parliament from the Congress party, in fact, who hail from Chhattisgarh, were assaulting a lady marshal who was trying to stop them from entering the well of the house and get any closer to the chair. And of course, the centre says that no outsiders were brought in. 30 marshals were present in the house, 18 men, 12 female, and these are marshals of the house, and any of these details can be investigated. In fact, they have sought a thorough investigation into the proceedings of the house. They met with the chairman, Venkaiah Naidu, today and sought a thorough investigation and the formation of a special committee to look into the allegations. And in fact, the opposition met with the chairman as well and sought an investigation into the proceedings of the house and also how they allege the government has been bulldozing through parliamentary procedures.
All right, Paulami, thanks so much for joining us. Paulami also spoke to Union Ministers Piyush Goyal and Anurag Thakur over the manhandling charge. Listen into their views.
So some very unruly scenes were witnessed in the Rajya Sabha last evening and over the course of the monsoon session. The government is of course demanding strict action, but the opposition is alleging that they were stifled inside Parliament during this session.
I think one should go through the videos available in the public domain. I was not there in the Rajya Sabha, but I gone through that. You could see how the Rajya Sabha MPs from Congress, how they are holding the marshal, the security staff from the neck and pulling them. A woman MP is doing that, bringing the house to disrepute. That kind of disgusting behavior. I mean, how can you expect that from an MP?
But
Their
they also
behavior, trying to take off the TV screen. I mean, that kind of behavior in the parliament, when the parliament is meant to debate, rather than debate, you are bringing disrepute, disgust kind of behavior is not fair for the parliamentary democracy.
But do you think there should be a thorough investigation because their allegation is similar, that their women MPs were misbehaved with by the marshals?
We are already saying that. We have made a request to the chairman Rajya Sabha that kindly look into the details and take strict action against those opposition MPs for their unruly behavior, bringing disrepute to the parliament and also that disgusting kind of behavior.
Joining me right now is Rajya Sabha Leader of House, Mr. Piyush Goyal. Sir, some very serious charges that you've levelled against the opposition today. Some of the footage is showing lady marshals being manhandled with as well. But the opposition, of course, counter-alleging that their women MPs were assaulted by the marshals.
Well, your channel can make up your own mind after seeing the reality, whether what they are saying is truth or the reality is something else. I think the Congress and the other opposition leaders have tried today to build a complete castle of lies to deviate from the main issue, which was their misconduct in the House, and they're trying to run away from the action that should be taken on such members who have completely destroyed the dignity of the House, of the Rajya Sabha, of the chair, and have demonstrated to the country and the world the very, very low to which they have brought parliamentary democracy. I condemn the Congress and other opposition parties for their very, very deplorable behavior. The behavior of the Congress leaders is extremely unfortunate, sad, and worth condemnation for showing such poor leadership and such poor approach by giving lies rather than apologizing to the nation for their misconduct.
They are, of course, alleging that the centre has strangled parliamentary rule and procedure, and the blame for the strangulation of it lies at your doorstep.
We have made it evidently clear that from day one, we have been looking at a dialogue, discussion. In the first Business Advisory Committee, they asked us for a discussion on farmers' issues, on economic situation, and COVID. The chairman and the speaker were agreeable for all three. When they realized that that has failed, they tried to divert attention on COVID. Despite a discussion on their request, they did not come for the Prime Minister's meeting. They didn't allow the Honorable Prime Minister to introduce his ministers. From day one, their leaders had announced that they want a washout of a session. Sadly, they have failed because neither was the session a washout. It was the second highest productivity that the Rajya Sabha has seen in a long time.
But without much debate or discussion, sir.
That's not my fault. We have been inviting them for discussion and debate. Who was disturbing the House? I hope your channel shows who was disturbing the house, who was responsible for the disruption, for the manhandling of the lady marshal. You are a lady yourself, madam. I hope you will show what behavior was being done with the lady marshal. I hope you will show how how a security personnel was sought to be strangulated, how a member stood on the chair, on the table of the house, and flung a large, big, thick book which could have actually grievously injured either the chair or the Secretary General. I hope you will look at the reality.